We had a very volatile session today. Market was gapping down, sold off, and then ripped back up higher. All right, good morning, everybody. This is Andrew. I'm going to do the recap for today. We had a very volatile session today. Market was gapping down, sold off, and then ripped back up higher. Plus, we had Tesla as the stock in play. That it was amazing to trade this morning. So Tesla over the weekend apparently released the delivery numbers, and they had the record year-over-year delivery, but they missed the expectation by 5% or something. So gap down in the pre-market about 3-4%. At the open it was strong, and it was staying above the VWAP, so that's why I was mentioning in the chat that could be potentially 1 minute opening range breakup, but it really never hit the opening range breakup, sold off. As soon as it lost the VWAP, I went short on that heavy size, and I added on the way down until we got really nice move up. So that's the first short, covered some, and then added heavy more on that to really cover around this area, and then I added back again around here at 246 all the way down to 241. So I got this one, and then it bound, reversed here, and I got stopped out at the break even. So that was a really nice trade that we had. That was my biggest winner of the day, and yeah, so that was the biggest winner of the day. Heavy size on Tesla, and that was really good. So TQQ was another trade that I did. So let's just bring the TQQ here. So TQQ at the open, again, market was gapping up. Qs were really above the VWAP, and I would really like the fact that market is gapping up. But the only problem was Qs and TQQ were just way too much above the VWAP, and that's usually an issue because the market really likes to test the VWAP at the open. So I went long for a 1 minute opening range breakup, but I got stopped out, sold off, went all the way to previous day close, and then heavy rip back up higher. I went long again at 1955 for the break of high of the day, sold some, added more at 1980 for the break of high of the day. It did pull back, pop back up, couldn't really break the highs, and then after that it came back and I got stopped out at the break even. So that was my first trade on it, and that's my second trade on it. I made the money back on the losses back here, but I couldn't really get the break of high of the day. And then what we had was at 10 a.m. the manufacturing number came up that I think was lower than expectation. It's I don't know, PMI. I don't know what does. I have to read the news exactly, but it seems that whatever was that, it was good for the news. Market ripped higher. I just jumped right at the momentum at 1985, went all the way up to 21, and then I got stopped out everything at. Oh no, actually I still have TQQ. Sorry, yeah, I still have some TQQ. Sitting here at 1985, so I might get stopped out on it. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not surprised if the market is going to continue higher. I'm not also going to be surprised if the market is going to just continue going down and go red. To be honest with you, anything in this market is really happening is acceptable. Okay, Brian, how was your trading day?
It was okay. I tried. Looked like Meta was going to break out at the open, so I took a long fairly quickly, and then get up. I took some off at 138.40, and then it started to pull back, and I got out of the rest just above my break even because we had that big pullback on the market. Other than that, I traded Neo. Yeah, sort of sold. It just basically sold off with the market and with Tesla. So got that big drop through previous day close, and then then it just bottomed out. I was hoping to get it at 15.20, which was Friday's low, but it didn't quite get there, so I had to stop out of the rest. But other than that, I did a TQQ trade, same one with you, and that was kind of it. Other than an Apple trade I got in and out of flat. So not a bad day.
Good. Yeah, it was really awesome. So what's going to happen in the market? I don't know. I mean, there is a Credit Suisse is a Swiss bank that I was looking at the daily chart on it that is really getting destroyed. But it's not a new thing. Apparently, this one has been on the decline really pretty much since 2015. There is a rumor that this is going to get bankrupt or might be saved. But that's for it's a Swiss bank, I think. It's not an American bank.
Yeah.
And
It's just whatever counterparty risk there is. That's the only concern.
yeah,
See what other banks might have invested
exposure
in
to
them
India.
and what they might lose. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very interesting one. So that's pretty much it, guys. So that was a really really good day, thanks to Tesla and missing the delivery. I think Tesla, to be honest with you, is still has the room to go down. I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla is gonna hit 234, 235 today. It's just really losing. It looks like a false breakout above the VWAP. I'll see how it goes. It might be trending down. AMD was really strong. So AMD was really, really strong. It was selling off in the last couple of months really bad on a weekly chart, but AMD was strong. See how the market is going. It's really scary out there. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Today is onboarding session for those of you who are new, guys. Mike and Carlos are going to do the onboarding session. I was in Vegas. It was a really, really good event. I have met a couple of traders. And that was it. So see you guys this afternoon in the onboarding session. Ciao.
Cheers. See ya.